Okay, so you sent me this listing, right?
Yeah.
This house in Alvorge, Portugal.
Mm-hmm.
And honestly, it's already got me kind of hooked just from this.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. Like, I know we don't have much to go on,
Just the listing?
just the listing itself.
Mm-hmm.
But sometimes, like, less is more,
Oh,
right?
absolutely. Like a little mystery. Gets the imagination going.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, okay, we've got these few details.
Gets puzzle.
A puzzle. What
Yeah.
can we figure out?
Totally.
So first things first, it's a 3-bedroom house, 1 bathroom.
Yeah.
Pretty classic.
Yeah, pretty standard.
Yeah. Built in 1950.
Oh, so it's got some history.
It's seen some stuff.
Yeah.
And it's 155 square meters,
Mm.
which, I mean, to give you a sense, that's like, what, maybe like 1.5 tennis courts?
Ooh, that's a good way to put it. Yeah, that's a decent size.
So not tiny, especially for back then.
Right, especially for a house built in 1950. Makes you wonder what the layout's like.
Yeah. Like, are the rooms big?
Yeah.
You know?
Could be some spacious rooms in there, just waiting to be, like, brought back to life.
Totally. Okay, in this, this is interesting. Which,
Probably could use some updates.
yeah, a little bit of modernization, probably.
All right, well, let's talk about Karen, the seller.
Okay.
She works for Remax.
Oh, Remax.
Big name, right?
Yeah, they're global.
Mm-hmm.
So she's probably got some experience with real estate.
Right, exactly.
And she's provided an email address,
She's ready to chat.
which means, like, she's open to questions.
Yeah, I was going to say, maybe she's really looking to find the perfect buyer, someone who, like, gets it.
Could be someone who appreciates the potential.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, but the thing is, the listing says almost nothing about Alvorge itself.
Oh, really? Which honestly just makes me want to know more. Like, where even is this town? What's it like?
Well, from what I could find, Alvorge is in central Portugal, part of the Ancio municipality in the Louria district.
Okay, so, like, we're talking real Portugal here.
Yeah, it's a region known for its natural beauty. Like, think rolling hills, maybe some vineyards, olive groves, and then these, like, classic Portuguese villages.
Oh, yeah, I can picture it.
Like a little slice of old world charm.
Totally. Slower pace of life.
Yeah, probably a bit off the beaten path, too, which honestly, I kind of like.
Right. Like, more authentic.
Exactly.
Not as touristy.
So, okay, let's recap. We've got this house, good size, lots of character. We've got Karen, who seems ready to sell. And then we have Alvorge, which sounds pretty amazing.
Sounds like it has potential, yeah.
So what really jumps out at you?
Honestly, for me, it's the potential. This isn't just some, cookie-cutter house.
No, not at all.
It's got a history.
Mm-hmm.
And it's in a place that, like, seems ready to be explored. It's like waiting for someone to come in and, like, get back to life.
Exactly. It's a blank canvas.
It is. It's
Yeah.
a total blank canvas.
Yeah.
I'm really curious about Alvorge.
Yeah.
Like, what's the local culture like? The food scene? The people?
Mm-hmm.
It really does sound like a place where you could just, like, escape, disconnect.
Get away from it all.
Yeah. So I got to ask you listening right now, does any of this grab you? Can you see yourself, fixing up this house, becoming part of the Alvorge community? Think about it.
Something to consider.
It is. All right. Well, that's our deep dive for today. But hey, stick around. We'll have more for you soon.
Yeah. Always more to explore.
Always more to explore.